Hey everyone, welcome to urtechduck. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Whop account from scratch in under 2 minutes. First, head over to whop.com. Once you're there, click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and hit submit. You'll get a verification email. Just open it and copy the code that you received in the email and put it in the code field. After verifying, you will need to enter your name. Then click on Next. Now pick a username for your account, then click on Next. Then you can choose your profile picture. Then you need to join a Whop to continue. Join any community and click on Next. And you'll land on your dashboard. Click on Start Selling in the sidebar to begin setting up your brand. Click on Create your Whop, then type in the name of your Whop. This is what your customers will see, then click Continue. You'll be asked to enter a short headline about your business, then hit Continue again to choose your Whop link. That's it, your account is now ready, and you're one step closer to launching your digital products. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more bite-sized tech tutorials from urtechduck.